This video will demonstrate how to configure static routes and create iSCSI sessions to a Silk data pod on a Windows host. Please note, this video will assume Silk best practices have been applied as there are packages that are required for this process. First, we'll create the static route on the SDP for iSCSI traffic to the host. To do so, we'll first go over to the Connectivity tab, go over to Static Routes, and add the route. The destination subnet to be provided here will be the iSCSI network for the host. The subnet will be the subnet mask for that network as well. And the gateway will be the gateway of the external data 1 network on the data pod. Once all the information is there, you can hit confirm, and we'll move over to the host side. If static routes are required on the host, we'll launch a PowerShell session with elevated privileges and run the route add command specifying the persistent flag. We'll need to provide the subnet for the external data 1 network on the data pod, the subnet mask for that network, and the gateway of the host's data network. Finally, we'll need to create the iSCSI sessions from the host to the data pod. To simplify this process, a module is available on the PowerShell gallery. We'll first need to install the module from the gallery, but in this case I already have it installed, but the command would be install module silk iSCSI. We'll then import the module, and then finally we'll use the built-in functions to connect the Silk sessions. In this case, I'll be configuring 12 sessions to each CNode, but please refer to the Silk best practices documentation for further information on session counts. And with this, the host is now all set and ready to be created on the data pod and start provisioning volumes.